Lesson 5. To be interrogative. Alright, the last part is just to know how to form the questions. And here we go with very little content. And basically all we do is reverse the order of the words that we have learned in affirmative sentences. So it was I am, and there we go with am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, and in plurals, are we, are you, are they. Okay, so it's not very complicated. Let's go straight to the sentences. Am I happy? Are you hungry? Is he okay? Is she angry? Is it tired? Are we great? Are you sad? Are they very good? And one more time, please remember to repeat everything what's on this page.